Hey guys, welcome to React Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you switch accounts on Discord. So first of all, just go to your Discord account. Now in the Discord app, click the top left, the three dash icon. Now from here, click the bottom last, the emoji icon or your profile icon. Now just scroll from here. And now here you can see logout, click on it. Again click on logout. Now for switching accounts, click on register if you do not have any other account, and if you do have any other account, just click on login. Now just give your email address or phone number in the first bar, and in the second bar just give your password, and after that just click on login, and by that you can just switch accounts on Discord. So guys, that's how you can switch accounts on Discord. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.